Lead generation advice from the experts in the field. Do you know anything about the topic of lead generation? Do you need a quick primer to find out all you can? This video has all of the tips and tricks you need today. As soon as you get started watching it, you will also be preparing yourself for future success. Make an offer to potential leads that is hard to refuse. This can be a discount, a giveaway, or some source of information that they've been dying to have. It needs to be relevant to them, or else you'll never get them to respond. Try a few different things to see what works the best. Create engaging content. Lead generation relies a lot on building trust with your product or service. Smart targeted content does a lot to help get you there. Your target audience will be more likely to do business with you if they feel you are providing great service and that you legitimately care. Analyze the numbers surrounding your lead generation. Are you finding it takes lots of hours to discover potential leads? Are these leads qualified or rather weak? Measure the time you have in versus the conversion rate. This will help you decipher which tactics give you the best return on your investment. Target people seeing freebies as part of your list generating efforts. While giving things away doesn't usually make money right away for you, there will be plenty of people ready and willing to sign up for the free stuff. Keep this list separate from your others, but include it in all your future campaigns. With so many great tips available to you, all you can do now is put them to use. Take your time as you craft your strategies so that your leads will begin to generate. The sooner they do, the sooner you'll see your profits increase and your business begin to boom. Student loan.